Welcome to Fasttrack, your automotive compliance centre for all imported vehicles. Fasttrack Compliance is your facilitator to assist you with getting your imported vehicle complied and onto New Zealand roads. We operate with an independent, government-appointed inspection agency who will inspect your vehicle to ensure that it meets New Zealand Transport Agency, NZTA, safety requirements. Before reaching one of our inspection sites, your vehicle and certain documents have already been inspected by MPI and Customs, either before or after arrival into New Zealand. Your appointed importing agency is responsible for all of those steps until the vehicle has been delivered and the keys have been handed over to Fasttrack Compliance. To start the compliance process, the correct documentation must be supplied. The basic information needed is proof of previous registration, proof of ownership, and a current photo ID of the owner. However, more documentation may be needed depending on the country your vehicle was imported from. Any additional information you may need can be discussed with our retail assistant. For the compliance process to be completed, the documents you supply must be originals. Electronic copies or photocopies are not accepted. The physical inspection involves partial disassembly and a thorough inspection of the vehicle. The independent inspector checks for rust, structural repairs, and damage. Brakes are disassembled, brake drums, rotors, and friction material are measured and tested. Exhaust emissions, seat belts, and lights are also tested to ensure they are within safe tolerance of manufacturer's specifications. If remedial work is required to complete the compliance process, you will be presented with a fail sheet and a quote to have this work done. If your vehicle has ever been in an accident, has structural damage or rust, this must be inspected by an independent NZTA certifier. Repair certifiers are completely independent of the compliance workshop, but we can arrange this on your behalf. If your vehicle has been modified beyond the manufacturer's specifications, this will require a low volume certificate, an LVV cert. This is an inspection carried out by an independent certifier appointed by the Low Volume Technical Association. This will only be passed if the modifications meet the NZTA LVVTA requirements. Once the compliance inspection process has been completed and we have received all the original documents, the inspection agency will issue a Warrant of Fitness and a document for you to register your vehicle and for you to receive registration plates. If the original documents have not been supplied, this process cannot be completed. From all the team here, thank you for choosing Fasttrack as your trusted compliance partner.